Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandra if you have not been here before. And the reason I'm talking pretty quiet is because my daughter is sleeping, so I apologize. But I just wanted to share this with you. This is my iPad Pro 2nd edition 256 gig unboxing. So we're going to unbox the iPad, the Apple Pencil, the accessories, and then I can't wait to start using it. So while I do this, I'll talk about what I have and I'll link everything down below, but I'm going to not talk so you can hear some ASMR unboxing sounds. So of course this is a 2nd generation Apple Pencil which attaches to the side of the iPad with a magnet to charge. This iPad is the space gray 11-inch iPad Pro 2nd generation with Wi-Fi 256 gigabyte. As for the accessories, I did a lot of research on the screen protector. Ideally, I'd rather go with a tempered glass to actually protect the screen, but I ended up going with this Bellamond screen protector, which is paper-like, so it's not the actual brand paper-like, but it's a fraction of the cost. And there are 2 of them in here, so it's perfect. I also got this Timovo iPad case. It's purple, and that's basically why I chose it, but the back is clear and then the front is purple, so you'll see it when I put it on. And then I also got this silicone case for the Apple Pencil. I don't know how tight this is going to go on, and I don't know if it's going to be a good fit, so if not, I'm going to buy a different one. I've got a couple of other ones I've been looking at. I just like this one because of course it matched my iPad cover. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the iPad Pro 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Also, if you're new here, I'd love if you subscribed. And last but not least, don't forget to click the little bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. We'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye now.